everybody, this is Nora, and on this video tonight I am going to play with these translucent powders, translucent shimmery powders from SheModern. You have seen me work with their glitters, I've worked with the pearlescent, and these are the translucent. So I wanted to show you before I opened it what you can expect when you get the package. You have the SheModern name here, and yes, when you ordered the package of the 3 powders, shimmery powders, you get to choose your own 3 colors. And I'll tell you which 3 colors I chose. As always, you get your surprise foil nail art. That's very nice, and I love the ladybugs. I didn't have any of the ladybugs. And also these stencils, which are nice. You have seen me use these over and over, especially remember the glitter French tips, and I also did the rainbow, the St. Patrick's rainbow. So if you haven't seen that video, go back a couple of videos so you can see that. I also have a playlist for SheModern. There's an empty container here. If you use like maybe you can dip your brush there. If you're doing art, you can put alcohol in it. The palette. So let me go ahead and put this back in here. And as you can see with your glitters, each one comes with a nail tip here, which is nice, so you can get to practice your art. Let me tell you about the colors that I have. So I got the rainbow, this one is the gold, and also the blue green. And I am going to apply these over, I use just regular black polish. This is black on black from Sinful Colors, and I will show you how I go about applying this. These basically what they do, they just add a new component to your any plain cream polish, if you would, and gives it a look, that iridescent shimmer look. And I am going to see, let me go ahead and show you. So yes, I use black, and I already did my ring nail here. This is the blue green, and what I use for application after I let my polish dry, I went ahead and applied the nail glue. So you're going to see how I go about that. Let me go ahead and put these aside, and I am going to apply some nail glue here and let it dry completely, and then I'll be right back with the glitter application. Okay guys, so I am back. My foil glue is completely dry. As you can see, my nails are now clear. And so what I personally found best to work with is the reason I use the foil glue is because I personally found that to work best for me. I attempted Kay Lilia's method when I saw her use the clear top coat over her color, and that didn't work very well for me. And I don't know if it was maybe because I was applying it too thick, but I figure, okay, I am very much safer with using the nail glue. And so when it comes to the shimmer, translucent shimmer powder, what I did, instead of dispensing it directly over the nail, I liked a more even thin distribution of the glitter. So what I thought worked, how I got it to work best for me was by using, I think I got you too close here, keep going out of focus. So using this fan brush, I went ahead and dropped some of the glitter on the fan brush. And this one is the gold. See right there, it's gold. And then just put one nail out. I'll try to bring it closer. And then just kind of tap the top of the brush. I'm just tapping up here with my finger, just going like that. I'm not even touching the nail, okay? And this way I can kind of control the drop of the glitter on the nail, and I think this gives me a little bit more evenness, or yeah. There you can see that gold shimmer is so pretty. And now maybe I can just turn it, but yeah, no need for touching the nail. And maybe after it's there, Remember, I have the glue, so yeah, I can go ahead and do that. I don't even feel this brush against my skin, so very gentle. And that's the gold. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do with the others. So we'll go ahead and finish the other two nails with the other colors. Okay guys, so here are the nails immediately after me having applied the powder shimmer. And now this is without top coat. So my ring finger, it is finished with the top coat. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So because I don't want to contaminate my good top coat, like maybe my Sage Feed, I use something like this, just a cheapy top coat that I don't mind if it contaminates. And then after that dries, then I go in with my good top coat. So I'll go ahead and brush the dust off of my cuticles just a bit. And I'll go over with this top coat. And yes, I know that you saw me there, I use different colored glitters back to back on the same fan brush. And yes, I ran the risk of contaminating some of the glitter that I was dispensing out, but I believe that unless you have a couple of those brushes, but most of the time I think for doing this is you will only use one color. I am using all three of the ones that I have at once for the purposes of demonstrating and showing you not only application, but so you can see what these colors look like after application. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Now, because this is my first coat of this cheapy top coat, it is getting soaked into the glitter, whereas it's going to feel and look textured, and I don't want that. So what I have done before in the past, I will use, after this dries, I will go on with a very generous amount of Sage Feed. Let the first coat dry completely and then apply a second one for that nice glossy gel-like look. Okay, so I will be right back. Okay guys, so here's the final result after a couple of coats of Sage Feed top coat. What do you guys think? Aren't they gorgeous? And see what I mean? See my fine line? You see the reflection of my light? It looks just like gel. And yes, that's just regular top coat, a couple of coats, and wow, they are gorgeous. So this is the gold, and my index and my pinky. Let's wait for it to focus here. I saw Tina's videos when she did it over black and she used black gel polishes. I thought they looked their best, and that's why I made my base color black. And this one, my ring finger, is the blue-green. It's the one that I already had applied when I started the video. And this is the rainbow. So there you can see like different color shiftings. You can see the difference between these two. So yes, I'm truly loving these. Easy to work with. Again, I use my fan brush I thought it would give me a better even distribution of the glitter throughout the nail, and using the foil glue. Hey, I use my foil glue for a lot of things, guys. You know, when sometimes you have your stamp sticking to your nails, if your polish is too dry, that's another trick. And I think hopefully you have seen my videos where I create my water marble stickers and I use my foil glue to apply them to my dry base colors. Anyway, I would like to thank SheModern for sending me these products, beautiful products to play with and review. If you guys have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.